Hello everyone, this is Kunal Sharma and welcome back to my channel. So in the last video we have talked about chatgpt. So if you haven't watched that video, go and first watch that video and just come back to it. It will give a more precise knowledge regarding chatgpt 4. Last video का link आपको आई बटन में मिल जाएगा ऊपर. So moving forward toward the chatgpt 4. chatgpt 4 is nothing different but an updated version of chatgpt. Okay, ठीक है, updated version है. So what were the reasons we have to implement chatgpt 4, a new version of GPT? The first problem is the result which chatgpt gives is less accurate and less precise. Means the result can be based on an imaginary basis. The facts can be less and imagination can be more. This is the main problem. This is the first problem which occurred in chatgpt. The second problem is the responses which chatgpt gives can last up to 3000 words, which is a very less in number. If you're going to have a more detailed script or detailed article on something, then 3000 words is a less number. And the third problem is that it is a text to text conversation. I've explained it before also, that we can only communicate with chatgpt, the chatbot, only through text communication. Other communication is not available. The fourth thing is it is less secure. Less secure in how way? Suppose if I told chatgpt to write a code for me, so chatgpt can write a code and it can be workable in a good manner, but the security of the code can be doubted. The security of the code is so we can't rely on that. And the fifth point is that data information is limited. The data is not up to date. If we ask chatgpt regarding the article of Adani and Hindenburg or the recent collapse in the US Silicon Valley Bank, it's not going to tell us about that, because these things are happened recently. But the information which chatgpt has is only up to 2021. These all problems are overcome by the launch of new version of chatgpt, that is chatgpt 4. The first thing is it is more precise, more accurate results it gives. Second is the responses which it provides have a 25,000 words limit, which is a massive in number. It's fine, we don't have problem with that number. And the third thing is it is based on a multi-modal tech, which means with only the chatgpt was only limited to text conversion, but GPT-4, the latest version, can also recognize chat with images. Means if we show an image to a chatbot, then it reply us more efficiently and it gives us the more information which is recognized in the image and related to that every information which is there in that image. Fifth part is chatgpt 4 is up to date, which means if we ask anything which is happening in current situation, which is happened recently, chatgpt 4 is going to answer that. Now the second thing is, what are the features that chatgpt 4 can provide? So the features which chatgpt 4 provide is it can create website from images. Second thing is can build video games. Third thing is using chatgpt we can prepare for any exam, because there are many list of, you can see on the screen a list of exams which is posted by the openai website itself, in which GPT-4 has given more precise, accurate results and pass that exams. Fourth thing is we can build a Chrome extension through it. Fifth thing is it understands what actually happening in the image. And to think that I have also given example on the screen, you can view it. This example is uploaded on the openai website, you can check out there also. So the last thing is who can use that? Can we use chatgpt 4, the latest version of GPT? So for currently we can use that, but we can't use it on free basis. ChatGPT 4 is only limited, till now it's only limited to the person who are the subscribers, paid subscribers of OpenAI. Maybe in future it can be free for all, but right now it's not free for all. The second thing is, who is using ChatGPT? Many organizations are using ChatGPT. The one organization which is very known is Microsoft Bing. Microsoft is using ChatGPT 4 on Bing AI chatbot, and it's working perfectly. You can check out it yourself. So this is all for today. Stay tuned for the next video. If you like the video, do subscribe the channel and share the video. Thank you everyone.